Hello friends, here is Padmanabhan. Welcome to my session. Based on the tenses I have already gone through, a simple exercise is prepared for you today. We will have to fill in the blanks. So, look at the first sentence. I dash go to school tomorrow morning. The action will happen tomorrow morning. Future tense, simple future. So I will go to school tomorrow morning. Second sentence. Ram dash gone to market. He dash come in 10 minutes. He dash come in 10 minutes is very simple. That is a future tense. He will come in 10 minutes. Now, the first sentence. Ram gone to market. I can write Ram had gone to market if that is the only one sentence. But here there is another connecting sentence. So the suitable form is Ram has gone to market. Present perfect tense. Third one. She dash sleeping when I reached there. When I reached there is an action that was completed. Simple past tense. She dash sleeping. So she was sleeping when I reached there. Next one. They dash been working since morning. They started working in the morning. Still they are continuing their work. So they have been working since morning. They have been working since morning. Present perfect continuous tense. Next one. Yesterday I dashed a cow on the way. Here yesterday has come, so I saw a cow on the way. Yesterday I saw a cow on the way. Sixth one. When you come back yesterday. Yesterday, again yesterday has come. When did you come back yesterday? Did come will become came in answer. When did you come back yesterday? You can just answer, I came back at 10 a.m. yesterday. Seventh one. Are you dash to sleep so early? Are you dash to sleep so early? Are you going to sleep so early? Are you going to sleep so early? Now, here, next one. They dash leaving for London today. They are leaving for London today. Next one. She not attend the program of Sunday. She not attend the program of Sunday. An action that will happen on Sunday. Future tense. She will not attend the program of Sunday. Negative sentence. Next one. Reena dash been staying in Delhi for 4 years. She dash in Bangalore now. She dash in Bangalore now is very simple. She is in Bangalore now. She is in Bangalore now. So Reena, suppose I write Reena has been staying in Delhi for 4 years. That means she is still in Delhi now. But here it is written she is in Bangalore now. So the suitable tense form is had. They had been, Reena had been staying in Delhi for 4 years. She is in Bangalore now. Next one. When I dash going to the town, I dash a friend. When I was going to the town, I saw a friend. Past continuous tense. Here is simple past. When I was going to the town, I saw a friend. Next one. I dash hungry now. I am hungry now. That's very simple. I am hungry now. 13th one. Dash, you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Next one. Dash, you ever seen an English movie? Have you ever seen an English movie? Now friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have already subscribed, switch on the bell button. If you like my videos, click on to like icon. If you have any doubt or query, please communicate to me. Use my communication details given in the channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.